You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at common mistakes that beginners make in bakery business, and I'm going to explain step by step different tips that will help you to stabilize your business, to avoid these mistakes so that you will scale in your bakery business. So stick till the end of this video and you will never regret it. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now, number one is high expectation. Don't expect too much. Don't just think that once you start with half bag, you're going to make 50,000 naira profit or 100,000 naira profit, 200,000. No, it does not work like that. Bakery business is not like that. So don't start the business with high expectation, too high. And so when you are not seeing those returns, you get frustrated, disappointed, and you start to complain the business is not doing well, and I want to adjust this, I want to buy this, I want to supplement with this sweetener, I want to reduce the sugar, how will I remove egg and butter? You start complaining. Please calm down. The business is lucrative, but it depends on your expectation. So you calm down, run the business and scale it to the point that you will break even. Because the second mistake is using wrong bakers. If you are using the wrong bakers, bakers that are inexperienced, because of lack of capital, you hire novice, you hire people that claim maybe they were just serving in a bakery, they have worked in a bakery before, and so they come to you as bakers and destroy your product. They don't know how to formulate recipe, and you are not even ready to buy recipe or pay somebody to formulate the recipe that will be able to give you good results. You're not ready for that. And so this is a very serious mistake that beginners always make. So you have to learn how to look for the right bakers. You must learn how to look for the right bakers that will give you the right result, the correct result, the expected result. That way you're starting on a good ground. The third mistake is wasting money on irrelevant things, buying things that are not useful because you heard that maybe you visited a bakery and you saw it, you buy. This recipe, this softener is good, you buy. Some people have about 3 brands of softeners, 3 brands of improvers, different brands of this, and you buy. So which one is actually working, you cannot tell. That is rubbish. You're just wasting money. And so you should learn to buy only those things. Focus on those things that matters. Don't just buy. If you buy this brand, you have to experiment it, you have to use it until you are convinced that it's not really giving you the desired result. That's when you change. So you don't just buy this, buy that. There is a very good something you buy. There is a bad you buy. No, don't buy everything that everybody will come and tell. This baker will come and tell you, buy a refrigerator, buy ice block machine, buy this one, buy. You just buy everything. Beloved, you don't buy like that. So invest wisely. Buy only those things that are basic, that are very, very important. The fourth mistake that bakery owners or beginners always make is lack of standard recipe. You don't really have standard recipe, so you are just trying by error. You try this one, it doesn't work. You try this one, it doesn't work. You try this one, your bread is wrong. You try this one, there is no taste, no nothing, and then you keep on trying like that. All those trials are leading to waste. You're wasting money, you're wasting effort, and you're paying salary. So you have to carefully look for standard recipe. That is why in my videos I always give recipes for free, because I know what beginners are facing in terms of recipe, and I always give for free. So just visit my channel, check, and you will see recipe from 50 kg, 25 kg, 5 kg, 2 kg, and it will help you. So carefully formulate standard recipe. Don't be in a hurry. Don't try all kinds of recipes. Just focus on that one that gives you good taste, good elastic nature of all crumbs, quality of the bread, good color, and the shelf life is encouraging. Now, the fifth error is buying everything that is recommended, maybe by customers, by people who had worked in a bakery before. Maybe this baker will come and tell you that you need to add honey. This one will come and tell that you have to remove honey and add egg. That everything recommended you want to buy. No, you don't do it like, when you start a business, people will come with all kinds of ideas. Even those that failed in that same business will come to advise you wrongly. And so you don't just listen to every wind of suggestion. You don't just listen to everything that they present to you and you grab it and try to apply it. No, you must learn to filter information, filter suggestions and advice, filter the things you want to do before you apply. You have to learn how to scrutinize it, how to look at it critically, whether it will work or not. The sixth error is construction of wrong pans. You just construct pans that are so voluminous, so long, deep, and wide. It will lead to losses. Where you are supposed to weigh 700 grams of dough, you weigh 850. That 150 is a great loss. I tell you the truth. Where you're supposed to weigh only 250, your pan cannot contain it. It's too wide, and the dough cannot just be there. It will be at the middle, so small. And if you try to allow it to rise till it fills the pan, the dough will collapse, and you face all manner of problems. So you should try. I always say it. I've said it in so many of my videos. Construct concise pans that are good. I have created a video on this with different sizes of pans. I carefully measured it using tape. That way, to help somebody beginner to know the types of pans that you are to construct. Seventh and the final one is over-dependence on distributors. Distributors will never, I will keep on saying it almost in every video. The distributors will disappoint you. They will frustrate you. They will give you wrong suggestions. They are never satisfied. They will always come with one problem or the other, one suggestion or the other, one complaint or the other. They are never satisfied. And most times they don't return. They don't bring it back. They don't give you returns. And most times they don't give you the right returns, the accurate returns, and it will lead to losses. So these are errors that beginners always make, and I hope as you watch this video you learn your lesson and you will continue on the right track and not make these mistakes again. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. God bless you.